Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL RT8 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with opening the dialer. We will begin with a shorter way. Here we have to enter the code, which is *#06#. And at the very bottom of this pop-out window we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now let me show you another way through the settings. So let's tap on them. Here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Tablet. And now let's scroll and try to find the serial number. Let's tap on Model, and as you can see right here we've got it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.